I'm standing here with two products from Vivosun that absolutely make my life as a grower much easier, and you probably didn't even know they existed. First up, we've got the Vivosun collapsible outdoor wagon. Guys, this saves my back. I can put all kinds of things in here, tools, soil, debris, anything. The front steering wheels make this easy to get in and out and move around to any corner, so easy enough, right? My favorite use for this thing? Oh my gosh, guys, hauling pots. Whether I'm just filling them, whether I've just emptied them, I don't have to carry these by hand out to the shed to put that with the rest of the soil. So yeah, guys, I love this cart because I could load it up, and this is good whether you're, indoor or outdoor. So this cart is really built for anybody, any growers, but I do want to point out here, you got kind of a little side pocket to put some tools. You got a zipper pouch here, like if you're out in the field and you have things like plant tags or things that you just don't want to jostle around, keep them in here, keep them nice and secure. And of course, on the front, guys, it has your cup holder. Yeah, they've thought of everything on this thing. The cart is well built, nice solid construction. Again, it's able to haul a decent amount of weight, and it keeps things from tipping over in there too. Again, pretty solid skeleton, and this thing collapses down super small. So yeah, very impressed. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, if you park on a hill or something, whatever, these wheels will actually lock, so it's not gonna roll away on you. But yeah, that'd be a little weird. But hey, good to have that feature. So check out the Vivosun website, and while you're there, use the discount code TWINPEAKS, save yourself some money. Up next, we have the compost bin from Vivosun, and this thing's got a 43-gallon capacity. Now this is a super handy unit because you can take all of your leaf scraps, your stems, all of those things that still have nutrients and minerals in them, put them into the composter, wait a few months, and have great compost that you could use again on your soil to feed your plants. It's kind of like closing the loop. There's no waste, you reuse it all. You basically put it in here, give it a spin. So you load everything in the front here from these two doors. Now you can actually, whoops, I'll put that back on. You can actually put a divider in here to keep two separate chambers, but I just wanted the larger capacity because I'll be using more compost. So having it this way, super handy. And again, guys, let me show you how easy it is to put the doors back in. Boom, there you go. So yeah, slide it out, put your stuff in, close them up, and give it a spin. All right, guys, I got some material that I am going to load into here. I'm just going to take that door off. First up, we got some sticks and stems. And again, guys, you can put, you do want to look into the balance of green and brown. That's carbon and nitrogen when you're making compost. I will put an awesome link about compost in the show notes, but make sure you keep your ratios good. Food scraps, stay away from meat, fatty stuff, acid stuff. Look at all those immature beans, guys. How many do you think are going to pop up out of this thing? We'll find out. All right, we got that stuff in there. We got some leaf material. We're going to toss this in here. And you could do other things. Again, leaf clippings, whatever. Me, I'm just trying to keep this right now strictly related to the grow. You can hear it spinning around in there. So these are my two most underrated pieces of gear from Vivosun that you probably didn't know about. Again, both of these are going to make your life easier, whether you're an indoor grower, whether you're an outdoor grower, whether you're synthetic or organic and you like making your own compost. Guys, these two things, find them on the Vivosun website. When you're there, use the discount code TWINPEAKS to save some money. ChadWestport.com is where you can find my gear and merch. Please keep it locked here on the Chad Westport YouTube channel. Continue to grow, spread the word, and in the meantime, everybody, remember to party on.